Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Notion database to track supplier SLAs, full guide step by step. To authorize Notion database to track supplier SLAs, start by opening your Notion workspace. Navigate to the database you want to use for tracking supplier SLAs. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to edit the database. Click on the Share button at the top right corner of the database page. In the sharing settings, invite the relevant team members or stakeholders who will be involved in tracking. Adjust the permissions to ensure they have the ability to edit the database if required. Once the sharing settings are configured, head over to your supplier SLA tracking dashboard. Create a new page or section specifically for supplier SLAs. In this new page, add a database block by selecting Database from the block menu. Choose the type of database you want to create, such as a table or board format. Define the properties needed for effective SLA tracking, such as supplier name, SLA metrics, and due date. Set the relevant formula properties to calculate SLA compliance automatically. To track SLAs over time, consider adding date properties for start and end dates. Next, create a view for easier access and monitoring of ongoing SLAs. Customize filters and sorting options to highlight suppliers who are nearing compliance deadlines. After establishing your database structure, ensure that appropriate tags or labels are used for easy identification of SLA status. To integrate with third-party applications, check for available API connections or automation tools. Use an automation tool like Zapier to connect your Notion database with other platforms, if necessary. Conduct a test run of your setup by inputting sample supplier data. Review the data entries to confirm that all formulas and properties function as intended. Once everything is validated, begin inputting actual supplier data to track SLAs more effectively. Regularly update the database to maintain accuracy and relevance in monitoring SLA performance. Review your supplier SLA tracking database periodically to assess supplier performance and address any issues. Make adjustments to properties and views as needed based on your evolving tracking requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.